the circles topic, circles and the system of circles. One of the problem in intermediate board level, this is the one of the problem, 7 marks question. And sometimes up to find the point of contact, that is the 4 marks question in system of circles. So from this region, we will get a total 28 marks. In board level, 28 marks, but mains compulsory 1%, MSET minimum 5%, BITSAT 3% from this region. So very important topic. Here, show that the circles, first circle and second circle, touch each other. These two circles touch each other. First we have to prove that one. So given circles are, first circle is, take the notation S is equal to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0, and second circle is dash x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 equal to 0. For the first circle, centers and radii of S is equal to 0 and S dash equal to 0 are center C1, first circle center C1. Here x coefficient minus 4, divide x coefficient with minus 2. We get the center minus 4 by minus 2, 2. Here y coefficient minus 6, minus 6 by minus 2, 3. Radius of the first circle R1 equal to root of 2 square 4, 3 square 9, minus of minus 12, 13 plus 12, 25, root 25, 5. Radius of the first circle R1 is 5. Second circle center C2 equal to x coefficient 6 minus x coefficient by 2. Simply x coefficient divided with minus 2. That is the minus 3, 18 divided by minus 2, minus 9. Radius of this circle R2 equal to root of minus 3 whole square 9, minus 9 whole square 81, minus a constant term 26. So this is the root 64, this is the 8. Root 64, 8. Now find the distance between the two centers. Here the first center x1, y1, suppose second center x2, y2. x1, y1, x2, y2. These two centers, we have to find out the distance between these two centers. That is the under root of x2 minus x1 whole square. That means minus 3 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square minus 9 minus 3 whole square. That is the root of, this is the 25, here it is 144, root 169, that is the 13. C1, C2, distance between the centers is 13. R1 plus R2 equal to 5 plus 8, that is also 13. That implies what? C1, C2 equal to R1 plus R2. The distance between the two centers, this is the first circle, this is the second circle. Here center C1, here center C2. This is the radius of the first circle 5 units. This is the radius of the second circle, radius, that is the 8. C1, C2, distance between these two is nothing but 5 plus 8, 13. Yes, C1, C2 value 13. That means these two circles are touching externally. That implies S is equal to 0 and S dash equal to 0. Touch each other externally. Touch each other externally. That is the touching point. Suppose if we take the P, therefore the point of contact Px comma y divides C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2, that is equal to 5 is to 8 internally. By using section formula, we will get a P point coordinates. So Px comma y equal to, now here internal division, here the C1 point coordinates 2 comma 3, C2 point coordinates minus 3 comma minus 9. Suppose the ratio is m is to n formula, it is x1 y1 and x2 y2, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, section formula. Section formula. Suppose this is the point, suppose take the point A, x1 comma y1 and B, x2 comma y2. Suppose the P point divides AB in the ratio m is to n. The P point coordinates equal to m times x2 plus n times x1 divided by m plus n. Similarly, y coordinate m times y2 plus n times y1 divided by m plus n. Section formula, internal division. So by using that formula, we will get a 5 into minus 3 minus 15 plus 8 into 2 16 divided by 5 plus 8. Similarly, y coordinate of 5 into minus 9, 5 into minus 9 minus 45 plus 8 3 is 24 divided by 5 plus 8. So this is the 1 by 13 and 21 by 13 minus 21 by 13. This is the P point. So see the problem. Show that the circles, these two circles touch each other. For proving that first line, first statement, here first circle, second circle, radius of first circle and center, radius of the second circle and the center, distance between the two centers and sum of the radii. By using this condition, C1, C2 equal to R1 plus R2, the two circles are touching externally. By using this condition, the two circles are touches externally. And this line over. Next, after that, also find the point of contact. Yes, we got the point of contact. This is the P point of contact. And after that, we have to find out the common tangent at this point of contact. Whenever the two circles are touching externally, the number of common tangents are 3. One is, this is the transverse common tangent. That means, with respect to this line, tangent is nothing but a line. With respect to this line, one circle one side, another circle another side. In that case, that tangent is a transverse common tangent. So we can draw a tangent. This is the one more tangent. This and this is another tangent. This is one more tangent. If you draw a circle like that, these two tangents are nothing but a direct common tangents. Right? They are asking only transverse common tangent. That means we have to find out the equation of a tangent to the first circle or second circle at a point P. So this tangent equation, there are two ways for finding that tangent. One way is simply for first circle s is equal to 0. First circle at this point P x1 y1. The equation of a tangent is s1 equal to 0. Direct formula. Or second circle also same, will get the same tangent because that is a common tangent. And one more way, whenever these two circles are touching externally, the common tangent is nothing but a radical axis. The radical axis is simply difference of two circles whenever the two circles are in general form. So, equation of common tangent at P is s minus s dash equal to 0. S minus s dash means, but given two circles are in general form, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c form. First circle, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 minus of second circle minus multiplication minus x square minus y square minus 6x minus 18y minus 26 equal to 0. The difference of the two circles, whenever the two circles are in a general form, this is called radical axis. One more name, this is also called radical axis. The radical axis, here that is a common tangent. Here transverse common tangent at P, that is that radical axis, simply difference of the two circles. Here x square cancel, y square and y square cancel, minus 4x minus 6x minus 10x, minus 6y minus 18y minus 24y minus 12 minus 26 minus 38 equal to 0. Divide this equation on both sides with minus 2. We will get a 5x plus 12y plus 19 equal to 0. Now this is one method for finding the common tangent or simply radical axis. Why you are doing this? Because it's a system of two circles given. The same concept we can apply in system of circles also. From the system of circles region, we'll get a one short answer and one very short answer in board level. From circles, two long answers, one short answer, two very short answers. Together, circles and system of circles. Total marks from this region for board level is 28 marks. 28 marks. But this is one of the problem, very important. Suppose in exam up to they ask the point of contact 4 marks. Suppose you have to find out the common tangent also, that is LAQ. Clear, none of this one? Clear? Any doubt? Okay.